Hey guys, this is Enrique with pragmaticreviews.com. Today I'm going to talk about on-page SEO. SEO in general stands for search engine optimization and involves multiple activities and techniques in order to optimize your website and its content to get found by the search engines. And also one of the objectives of the SEO activities is to get higher in the positioning of the search engine results. So let's get started. For on-page SEO, the first activity is going to be doing a keyword research. But first, let's review what a keyword actually is. A keyword is a search query, and some examples are how to make money online, iPhone X review, learn SEO, how to lose weight. Those are some examples of keywords. So our content needs to be optimized to rank for those keywords. Let's review some on-page SEO basics. The on-page SEO activities are about optimizing your content, your blog post or your web page around the keywords that you already selected. So some of the most important things to consider are these four areas: the title, the meta description, the URL, and the content itself. So the title needs to include the target keyword, and also it is recommended to include a number as part of the title that is going to improve the readability of the title, and a good readability is going to lead to a low bounce rate, and a low bounce rate is a good signal to Google, for example. That means that your content has value and is engaging. So that's going to be a good signal to get a higher ranking in the search engines. The meta description is another important field. It is not visible to the user, but for example, the Google Spider is going to scan this value and is going to look for the target keyword. So it is important to include the target keyword on that field. The URL, it's another important thing to optimize for SEO. It also needs to include the target keyword. It is recommended to be 75 charts long and no more than that. This is some example: www.mysite.com/learn-html-2019. Okay, let's talk about the content of the web page or the post. So it needs to include the target keyword at the beginning of the content and in the first paragraph, ideally. It needs to be 600 words long. That's the recommendation. Also, it needs to be ideally written using short paragraphs. That is going to improve the readability, reduce the bounce rate, and that's going to be better for the search engine rankings. It needs to include images and or videos. That's also good. Infographics, graphs, etc. It also needs to include the target keyword in the different heading tags. The heading are HTML tags that define different sections of a page. You have from H1 to H6. You don't need to use all of them, but if you use, let's say you use H1, H2, H3, you need to include target keywords on those headings. Some other things that are important is when you use images, the file name of the image needs to include the keyword on it. And another thing is when putting the alt attribute of the image, that also will be SEO optimized if it includes the target keyword that we want to optimize our content. So that's in a nutshell on-page SEO. Hopefully you got some value from this. Thank you for watching, and I see you on the next video. Bye.